Hello, we will install Carla simulator on Apple Silicon. We see on the Google there is a GitHub link from Envision. So he tried to install Carla simulator on the Apple Silicon. He made like a PDF procedure. We can see they are list of tested platform, which is my platform using Apple M4 with memory 24 gigs using MacBook Air 2025. Okay, we see he using Winery, which is the GitHub already changes to Sikarugir app. For install this one, he using Homebrew. So we install Homebrew first. Okay, we can see how to install Homebrew from brew.sh link. Just copy paste this script and then we can install via terminal on macOS Tahoe 26.2, and then it will download command line tools for Xcode 26.2. We waiting for this process. After updating Homebrew, it will be shows how to add this Homebrew to our path. So we just copy paste these three scripts, and then to validate it, we can type brew update. It will updating its Homebrew, and then brew upgrade. After that, brew min version. Okay, we back to here, and then we try again, brew update, brew upgrade. We follow this Sikarugir install. We just copy paste using brew install Sikarugir. We waiting, and then we open the Sikarugir creator. It will shows empty like this. So we need to click plus, install the latest engine, download and install. In this moment, we install cx24.0.7_7, and then for wrapper, we click update wrapper. It will install template 105. Okay, after that, we wait for a moment, we update and then create new blank wrapper. We type it Carla for this case. Okay, it will take a moment so we can read and see the PDF files here using Winetrick, install Visiran, and etc. Meanwhile, we waiting for this wrapper. We can download the Carla first. So we open the Carla GitHub. We download Windows Carla 0.9.16, the latest one, and then read the PDF again. Meanwhile, we waiting for the wrapper finish. It takes a moment, depends on your computer specs. After finish, we can view wrapper in Finder. It will show like this, more or less, and then we click Carla show package contents. We click contents and creator, we can exit. We click configure app. It will open like this, similar with the PDF, more or less. We click Winetricks, we searching Visiran, and then we only install Visiran 2022. Uncheck silent, run. Yes, we no need to install VC 2019 because it will conflict with the 2022. Meanwhile, we waiting, we unarchive the Carla 0.9.16 zip file, and in this Winetricks, it will show pop-up window several times like this. We can click agree, install, successful, close, and then waiting for a moment. It will show again the window pop up like this, and then we check the I agree, close, and the Carla already unzipped. We waiting this process, take a moment, of course, and finish. Okay, we can see the log if is it an error or not. If not, then it's successful, sometimes it throw error. Okay, we check direct 3D, we check in advanced performance HUD, we click install software, move a folder inside, and then click the unzipped Carla 9.16, choose the Carla UE4 like this. Okay, after that we can click test run. For the first opening it will take time. Okay, we waiting until the Unreal Engine for Carla simulator show. It will show like this. Okay, we can see the FPS around 27 something. It's good. Okay, it's pretty smooth in M4 chip, MacBook Air without active fan. Amazing. Okay, we close this one. So Carla server 9.16 success. What if we try the Carla 0.10.0? It using Unreal Engine 5.5. Okay, we download it for the Carla 0.9.16 using Unreal Engine 4. Okay, meanwhile we waiting for the download, we can see the GitHub comments in here, what people already discuss, what success, what not, what fail, and then we can see this account Cannibal one is successfully to install Python API inside this wine. We will try. Okay, we can also see the Carla tutorial for Python API example, generate traffic, and so on and so forth. But before that, we will see, is it possible to running Carla 0.10.0 in MacBook Air M4. Okay, after the zip file successfully downloaded, we can unzip it again just like before and move to Sikarugir. Okay, so we unarchive the file, and then after that finish like this, we can click install software, move a folder inside, click this folder, choose, and then we browse the exe file that we want to running. We click browse, drive C, program files, Carla 10, Carla Unreal.exe, choose, and then test run. Let's see, is it possible? Okay, and it works. Okay, amazing. Only 15 FPS, but it works. Apple Silicon M4 only, not Pro, without active fan. Okay. What if we install on Mac Mini with RAM only 16 gigs? Same M4, same OS 26.2 Tahoe. What will happen? Okay, we move a folder using Carla 9.16 first. Choose Carla UE4.exe, then test run. What will happen if we only have RAM 16 gigabytes? Okay, it show blank without graphics, without anything. So Mac Mini with RAM 16 gigabytes cannot run Carla 0.9.16. Okay, then I will downgrade using all the Carla version, which is I will using Carla 0.9.9.4. I choose this extracted folder and then choose the exe to execute this one. Drive C, program files, window no editor, Carla UE4.exe, and then test run. Mac Mini, Apple Silicon M4, RAM 16 gigabytes. It works. Almost 60 FPS. Even if I resize the window to the bigger size. So the limitation of the RAM, it affected the version of the Unreal Engine, the Carla the complexity and the rendering of the simulator.